Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have recently been amazed at how much blush placement can change my whole makeup look, especially when I am using a great blush like this Laura Mercier one. This blush is in the shade Rosé, which I find to be this really natural looking flush and blends in so well with my light to medium skin tone. It is completely matte, which is a personal preference of mine. I find that it looks more natural, and if I want to add shimmer, I can always put highlighter on top. It has beautiful pigment without being too bright. I find that I can add just a little touch of it for more of a subtle pop of color, but I can also build it up too. I do not do the whole smile thing and put it on the bulging parts of my cheeks. I much prefer to go for that lifted look and apply it up closer to my eyes and just a little dab just under my brow bone. This color really makes my skin come to life and just gives me that perfect rosy hue. Overall, I'm a big fan of this Laura Mercier blush for how well it blends into my skin and the gorgeous color payoff. And that's my point of view.